Hello dear students, class 8, this is your video of NCERT science book. These are the solutions, exercises of chapter number 9, reproduction in animals. First question is explain the importance of reproduction. In this question, what is asked? The importance of reproduction in organisms. So dear students, what is the importance of reproduction in organisms? Reproduction is not a process which is required for survival. We can live without reproduction. But there is a great importance of reproduction in all the organisms. That is, it helps to increase the population. Okay, we have a new generation just because of the process of reproduction. Okay, reproduction means to reproduce, to give rise to new individuals of same kind. Okay, so very first importance of reproduction is reproduction helps to increase the population, okay, of a particular species. Species means we all are homo sapiens, human beings, belongs to the same species. Okay, so in order to increase the population of human beings, what's the basic event behind this? That is reproduction. Clear? You can write the second point also. It is very important for the continuity of species. What does it mean? Continuity of species means many generations, one after another. Okay, it is very important for the continuity of life on earth. If there is no reproduction, there will be no continuity of life. Third point you can write in this way, that reproduction is important to make own kind of various organisms. Okay, one type of organism give birth to the same own kind. Okay, this is the meaning of third point. Next is question number 2. Describe the process of fertilization. Very important question. Just explain the whole process of fertilization in human beings. Okay, we are not talking about plants or any other animal. We are just consider only the human beings in this case. that what is the process of fertilization in human beings. For describing this answer, first of all, you must know what is fertilization. So, in human beings, what is fertilization? It is just the fusion of male gamete and female gamete in female's body. Okay. What is male gamete? Male gamete is sperm, male reproductive cell, that is sperm, single cell, and female gamete is egg, ova, ovum, the same thing. Okay. Again, this is a single cell. When the sperm fuses with the egg, this process is called fertilization. Okay. And the new one which is formed after fertilization, the fertilized cell is known as zygote. Okay. So this is very important to know that fertilization is the first step, okay, first event of the process reproduction. So what will be the answer? In human, fertilization takes place in female's body. Keep it in mind, and it is the fusion of male gamete, that is sperm, with the female gamete, ova or ovum, which results in the formation of zygote. Zygote is the product of fertilization in human beings. And to increase the length of your answer according to the marks, you can also add this line that fertilization is the first step of reproduction. Okay. Thus, it is also known as the first step of reproduction. Zygote is the basis of reproduction. Okay. Next is question number 3. Choose the most appropriate answer A part, internal fertilization. You have to choose the most appropriate answer. Okay. First one, A part is internal fertilization occurs. First option is in female's body. Number 2, we are talking about human beings here. Okay. No need to confusion. We are talking about human beings. So internal fertilization occurs. First option is in female body. Second option is outside female body. Third one is in male's body. And fourth option is outside male body. Now right option is what? Yes, in female's body. This is very simple. We all are born from our mother's womb. Okay. So the internal fertilization in human beings that occurs inside the female body. Next is question number 4. Not question number 4. The B part. Again you have to choose an appropriate answer. Okay. B part is a tadpole develops into a tadpole develops into an adult frog. The process of developing tadpole into an adult frog is known as what? First option is fertilization. Second option is metamorphosis. Third option is embedding. And fourth one is budding. So my dear students, I told you the life cycle of frog. So all the changes happens during the life cycle from tadpole to adult frog, that is known as metamorphosis. It's very simple. Metamorphosis is the phenomena of development in frog cycle. Now again in C part, choose the correct answer, appropriate answer. Question is, the number of nuclei present in zygote Now here, what is the question? How many nuclei are present in a zygote? What is a zygote? Few minutes before I told you that zygote is the production of fertilization of male and female gamete. Okay. So how many nuclei are present in zygote? First option is none. Second option is 1. Third option is 2. And fourth one is 4. So remember this, only one nuclei is present in the zygote. Okay. Very important objective question because it is a single cell. Okay. One cell contains one nuclei. Clear? Next is question number 4. True or false? Some statements are given in this question. Just tell which statement is true or which one is false. Part A. Oviparous animals give birth to young ones. This is totally wrong statement. Okay. Because oviparous animals give birth to Not babies, but they lay eggs. They are egg laying animals. Okay. So first one is false. B part. Each sperm is a single cell. Yes, this is true. C part. External fertilization. External fertilization means outside the body. Okay. External fertilization takes place in frogs. This is right, because the fertilization process in the life cycle of frog, it takes place outside. Okay. They lay the sperms and eggs outside in the water. So this is true. In case of frog, there is external fertilization. Now next question is part D. A new human individual developed from a cell called gamete. This is true or false? No. The new human individual developed from a cell is not called a gamete. It is fetus. Okay, so this statement is false. Now next one is E part. Egg laid after fertilization is made up of a single cell. So the egg which is laid after fertilization is made up of a single cell. You can consider the egg of hen here. So it is made up of a single cell. What will be the answer? Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Now F part is amoeba reproduces by budding. This is false, because amoeba reproduces by which process? Binary fission, not by budding. Budding is the process of division in hydra. Next is G part. Fertilization is necessary even in asexual reproduction. So what do you think that fertilization is necessary even in asexual reproduction? In asexual reproduction, single parent is involved. So this statement is absolutely wrong, false. H part is binary fission. Binary fission means splitting into two equal parts. Binary fission is a method of asexual reproduction. Yes, it is very much true. Amoeba is the best example. This is a true statement. I part a zygote is formed a zygote is by the fertilization. Yes, it is true. J part is an embryo is formed as or made up of a single cell. This is again false statement. Eighth one is eggs are produced here, that is ovary. In the down, sperms are produced in the these reproductive organs that is known as testes. Third one is another term for fertilization. Fertilized egg is known as zygote. Zygote is the other name of fertilized egg. Next one is these animals lay eggs they are known as what? Oviparous. Oviparous are the egg laying animals. Next question is a type of fission in amoeba is known as what? Binary fission. It gives rise to two equal daughter cells. A type of fission in amoeba, it is known as binary fission. The word binary is the answer of this puzzle. Very important question. These are your NCERT solutions of chapter Reproduction in Animals. I hope you all enjoyed the video a lot. Thank you very much.